Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I'm unboxing the November Beauty Box Club subscription box. So if you haven't seen my recent mystery box video from them, I actually won a mystery box and a 3-month subscription from Beauty Box Club. Definitely check out the mystery box video. I will leave that linked below, but today I'm going to be unboxing their November box and seeing what products I've got inside. So Beauty Box Club are a monthly subscription service and you receive, I think it's like 5 to 8 different products a month, and they do actually guarantee that you won't receive the same product twice in a year, which I think is fantastic because sometimes, you know, you get duplicates and these sorts of things. So I'm going to get this opened up and see what is in here. I'm very excited. Okay, so just opening it up, there is some little information sheets telling me what products are in here, and it is all beautifully wrapped up in this blue tissue paper, which looks so pretty. So yeah, I can see here all of the information of what is in the box, but I'm going to reach in and have a look at each product one by one. So this is the first product I have reached out of my Beauty Box Club box this month. This is the Audrey Bell Luxury Collagen Treatment. Obviously it's for your lips. So in the little sheet here it says that this actually RRPs at $39.95 for a 5-pack. Obviously you just get one, so this is like $8 worth of mask, which is crazy. And it says this anti-aging, hydrating and cooling lip mask will leave your lips feeling nourished and plump. Clean the lip area, pat dry and apply for 20 to 30 minutes. So I always find these are quite funny. It can be quite difficult to get them to like stay on when you're like using them. I feel like if you just sit up and just like stick it on, it just sort of falls off. I have used lip masks a couple of times, but I haven't used this one. Very excited to actually have probably 20 or 30 minutes to just sit and use this. But yeah, what a fun product. So just reaching in for the next product, which is this. This is the Mally Evercolor Endless Eyeshadow. I don't know if it's got a shade. It does say it's made in Korea, which is interesting. The shade is Delish Plum. You can maybe kind of see it slightly at the end there, but this apparently also retails at $39.95, which is crazy. Okay, it says developed by Mally Ronkel, former makeup artist to A-list celebrities. Discover more about this American influencer brand. So it just says a little bit more of information about it. It says a transfer proof stick. You can use it as a shimmery eyeshadow, a smudgy eyeliner or a glowy highlighter. Okay, so this seems really interesting. It says the sponge is preloaded with powder, twist to open. Yeah, I mean, if you're interested in seeing like a little review of this, definitely let me know. So this is the next product in here. So I think this was like an either or product. You either got this pink clay mask or you got a blue clay mask. To be honest, I'm quite like pleased that I got the pink one. I have tried a couple of pink clay masks before and I find that they are really cleansing. I feel like they leave your skin feeling really nice and clean and refreshed and just feeling nice and healthy. So I'm really intrigued to try this out. I've never tried anything out like this in a stick. This is the Marla Skin Pink Clay Mask Stick. So this actually retails for $20. It's vegan developed, cruelty free, full of antioxidants, and it can fight acne, moisturize for smoother, softer, healthier looking skin. And this pink one has got kaolin clay in it, which exfoliates, removes dead skin cells, performs a protective layer that stops moisture loss and is deeply cleansing. So so brightens, hydrates, moisturizes, reduces redness of the skin, hydrates and nourishes. I do like that it's in this stick format. I've never used or seen anything like this before, to be honest. I don't know how you go about getting this top off, and I assume you just like twist it to obviously get all of the product out, but it does look like it has a real good amount of product in it actually, and I'm really excited to try this. Okay, so the next product is like a 2-in-1. So it is this lash applicator kit. You've got the like tweezery things, spoolie and glue, and then also a pair of false eyelashes as well, which look like this. So quite a nice natural wispy looking pair in this very snazzy looking box. So this together retails for $21, which is pretty good value actually, I reckon. And this is the Lash X Combo Lash Applicator Pack. It's a female and minority owned small business. The lashes are beautifully crafted and provide natural lashes and also big bold lashes. Definitely prefer these more natural ones. So you've got the Lash X Luxe Range Lash Aurora, and then Lash Spoolie Applicator, and the Model Rock 1 gram of glue. So as well, so if I were to go ahead and purchase these on the website, there's a little code as well for 15% off, which is fantastic. Personally, not a huge wearer of false eyelashes. I feel like maybe I've worn them like once or twice ever, but they have always been this more like natural wispy looking lash. I think these are really pretty. I'm not sure how many wears you can get out of them, but I can obviously have a little look on the website anyway. And I love that you get all of the like applicator kit as well. I think that's absolutely fantastic, and I think it's actually a good value for $21 if you were to go ahead and just purchase them separately. So this is the next thing that I've pulled out, this nondescript cardboard box. So let's have a look in here. Okay, this is very strange. So it is this little glass bottle with a cork top. It says on the side of it. So let's have a look on the sheet. Okay, so this is the Canopy water activated dry shampoo. See, it's like powder and it almost looks like setting powder. So this is a plastic-free, water-activated powder shampoo that is great for your hair and scalp and even better for the earth. Are suitable for all hair types, especially anyone with sensitive, damaged or delicate scalp. It's artificial, chemical-free formula, all natural ingredients, zero plastic formulation and packaging. And it says here you should get about 7+ washes, up to 2 weeks alternate day usage. And again, there's like a little discount code if you're to go ahead and purchase products on their website. So this is really interesting. So it says to wet your hair, pour a teaspoon of powder onto the palm of your hand and add a few drops of water, lather directly onto hair and scalp. So I thought this was going to be like, when it said dry shampoo, I just thought it was going to be like you literally just put it on your hair dry and kind of rub it in and hope to the best that your hair doesn't look grey. But yeah, I've never ever seen anything like this, like a water activated shampoo that's in a powder form. Very interested to try this out. I love that it's all like cruelty free, natural ingredients and everything. So yeah, I'll definitely give this a go and let you know how I get on with it. And then there's just one product left in this month's Beauty Box Club box, and it is this lipstick here from L'Oreal. So this actually RRPs for $24.95. This is the L'Oreal Rouge Signature Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Hypnotize. That sounds interesting. I do really like L'Oreal lipsticks. I haven't actually tried any like in this packaging or formula, so I will be interested to see how it goes. Oh, an interesting applicator off at like an angle. Sort of like a shimmery, orangey brown. I don't think necessarily a colour I would go for if I saw it on the shelves, but it looks like, yeah, quite autumnal. I don't know how it's going to go with my skin tone on my lips, but I'll definitely give it a go. It does say here that this actually has a lightweight formula that is 2 times thinner than a lipstick. Each swipe provides a weightless bare lip sensation while delivering high pigmented long lasting colour. They apparently do a lot of different shades from wearable nudes to deep plum, ravishing red. Yeah, I will definitely give this a go. I like L'Oreal. The formula does seem nice. I think it's applied really nicely and it's actually dried down really quickly as well, which is fantastic. I did actually put quite a lot on my hand. Not 100% sure on the shade, but yeah, I'll definitely give it a go. Not sure I'd pay as well $25 for it. It does seem quite a lot for a singular lipstick, but there we go, L'Oreal is a good brand. So that was everything in my Beauty Box Club box this month. I've had a little add up of all of the products in here and the retail value of everything comes to just over $120, which I think is like pretty good value. I would say there's some good products in here. There's definitely a really nice variety. I love that there is some makeup bits, some like skincare-y bits. It's not just like all heavy, you know, on the skincare or the creams, and definitely some really nice products to try out. Definitely most excited to try out the pink clay mask and also the dry shampoo, because I've never seen anything like that before. That was all of the products in there this month, and yeah, I think it's really good. Let me know if you've tried out any of these products. If you have, what you thought of them. If you had a favourite from what I showed you, then definitely let me know. I'm definitely super excited to receive my box again next month, because yeah, I was really pleased with the mystery box and I've been really pleased with this box as well. So yeah, let me know what you think as well. But thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you again in my next video.